And I just remember I forgot my makeup brushes. Anyways, fine. Ew. Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi, and in today's video actually I was sitting here to do a hairstyling video, and that's why you can see my hair wet. But I thought this is like the perfect time to actually try out a viral makeup technique that I saw on Instagram. So let's do it. I'm talking about the viral one layer makeup look which Morello did on her page, and since then it's just blowing up. I really want to try it because I'm up for anything minimal, natural looking, you know, bare minimum kind of makeup. That is like my kind of makeup. So let's start with it. So if you haven't yet seen that video, I'll tell you. So basically what she did was she applied all of the different products that she uses in her routine at once and graphed them on her face, then used a setting spray over it and then blended them out from light to dark. And in this way basically she's just having a single layer of makeup instead of like 5-6 different layers, which to me feels so cool actually, because like one layer is so much more breathable, right? And it actually makes sense. I'm super excited to try it out now. She directly started off by dotting the products, but I need to prime first. So for that I'll be using the Insight Pore Minimizing Primer. I really like this primer. You can see like it instantly blurs the areas where I've applied it, like right here. Just see, like it just blurs them out, and this stuff just comes for like 100 rupees. You can also get the same in a bigger packaging, which is for I think 200 rupees or 250 rupees something. This stuff is real good, guys. So yes, that's my priming step all done. Do you guys remember this? Like, this is such an OG 90s product. Like if you're a 90s kid, you know it. I used to love this stuff so much. I saw this in the shop that day and I was like, oh, I want it. We used to have this so much. Yum. Anyways, moving back to the makeup part, let's start with what all she did. Firstly, I would apply concealer. So for that I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Sand, and I would just apply it in dots, the places I apply, and make sure that I don't mess up because we don't want much, honestly. So these are like my regular places where I place my concealer. Let's apply contour. For the contour I'm using the Sugar Fast Forward contour stick in the shade Fawn first. Now both the shades that come work. Placing the contour a bit high there. Slightly underneath my lips. Okay, then for blush I'll use the Just Herbs lip and cheek blush. This is in the variant Pale Pink, and that is how it looks like. And a little bit there. For foundation, for such natural looks I prefer a BB cream, and I really like this one from Mars. This is in the shade Tan, I guess. I don't see the shade name here. Anyways, I'll have it linked in the description. You can also get 10% off if you use my code Nidhi10. So what I'll do is I'll just remove very little amount of it right here, and then simply dot it. Those are all of the cream products laid, and now let's use a setting spray and spritz my face with it using the MAC Fix Plus. Using this Mars Kabuki brush, and let's blend it all out. From light to dark, I'll start with the concealer first, and let's start blending. I love this concealer, man. Then blending the foundation. The blush. And the contour. Yes, that is everything blended out. Oh my god, I just need to wipe any off of my brow, but this looks so good. I am shook, like, oh my god, look at my skin. It looks so smooth, and I forgot to blend a spot right here. Oh my god, I am loving how this is looking. Like, you can see my skin looks so fresh, healthy, and I love this kind of makeup. Like, so I'll just use a little bit of this eyeliner from Swiss Beauty. Honestly, I didn't like it as much because it just flakes, and I don't like that kind of liners, but I love the color, and that's the reason I'm using it. That's all I want. I personally love to use a strobe cream or highlighter. This actually is still looking so glowy, but I would lightly top it with this Mars highlighter, like very sparingly, because this stuff is pigmented and I don't want to overload it. Like, oh wow, my base is looking stunning, you guys. See how wet looking my highlighter is looking because of the setting spray. I love this one from Mars. This is in the variant Private Show. And for my lashes, I'm using the Lash Princess mascara from Essence. I love this stuff so much. This is my second bottle, and I would just coat my lashes. Look at my lashes, I haven't even like curled them, but this mascara is just insane. I freaking love this. And basically I do nothing for my brows, but I just lightly brush my mascara through my brows. It can be quite stuck, so be very careful if you're doing this with a very light hand. On my lips, I was wearing the MAC lip gloss. This is in the shade Twinsies, and I would just top the same. Oh my god, I'm loving how my base is looking. Like, you can see for real in natural light, this looks so bomb. Like, I freaking loved it. I would highly recommend you guys to try it out. Oof. Now I am definitely changing up my routine to this whenever I'm heading out for some special occasion or anything. I freaking loved it. Let me know if you've tried this as well. Yes, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have any other video requests, let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to join the Trend fam and subscribe to the channel. I would have all of the product links in the description box. Being said, we shall meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.